my new obsession, and Burke loves them too. I cannot keep enough of these in stock. I get them at Whole Foods. I ate them all, so you can't see what they look like, but I'll show you in the other bag that I have. They're called Cocoa Light. They're multi-grain pop cakes. They're big. They're like the size of a plate. And they're like air, basically. And let's see, 1 servings per... Okay, so 1 piece is 10 calories. No, sorry, 18, 16. Oh my gosh, why can't I read that? 16. Yeah, 16 calories. This is what it looks like. The Cocos. Aura Pup. Beat bad dog breath without a toothbrush. So it's this thing here that you put like some kind of gel on that's okay for dogs, and then you brush their tongue. They lick it. Actually, they lick it off. Let's see if I can. Apply flavoring to Aura Pup's soft bristles. Your dog will lick away its own bad breath. No forcing. I am going to get this for Pom Pom and Bella because they have bad breath. Blah. And you're not going to be able to see this color that I have on my nails. It is by Zoya, and it is called Blaze. And it's part of the, it came out a while ago, maybe a couple of years ago. It's a holographic. Oh, there, you can see it now. Blaze. My foot's not as swollen today. Take a look. Take a look. Can you smile? Yes. Let me see you smile. Yes. Let me see you smile. Yay! Bum, bum. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. So here's the thing. In the morning, the Kardashians, the repeats are on. And even though, you know, basically I don't like the family, you know, I just think they're like, you know, everything that everybody thinks of them, just being famous for doing nothing really, and just the conspicuous consumption of the money and all that. I do love watching the show. I watch it for like fashion. I like to see the makeup that Cam and the other ones are wearing, and sort of like see California. I so don't belong in the East Coast during the winter. I feel like I'm like more like a West Coast girl. I thrive in the nice weather. So I watch it for that, and it's kind of like a guilty pleasure. On my way out, and I wanted to show you some things, but I'm just going to tell you right now that the minute I walk into the room where the bird is, he's going to start to squeak like every single second that I'm in the room, just because he just does that when I'm in the room. So it might bug you, and I apologize in advance. On my face, the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination in Light. On my lips, baby lips. This one is the medicated one. I didn't realize the color is just peachy. I love it. It doesn't smell or taste medicated or anything. That's the color right there. Just goes on, you know, like a mirrorless lipstick, lip gloss. Under my eyes, I'm trying a new concealer, and I love it. It's the CoverGirl The Depuffer Eye Concealer. And the color I got is 310 Fair. And it's got the metal tip. But the thing is, I can't really use the tip because if you, I mean, you can do it like that with no product coming out, but if you have product coming out, it's like too much. So you kind of have to like squeeze a little to see how much is going to come out, like that, you know, and then dab it on, because the cool metal tip is what supposedly depuffs. But I like the coverage, so I just put some on my finger and did it like that. My MAC palette, I have copper plate all over the whole lid, and then in the crease, wedge. A little bit of all the glitters in the brow bone. No liner, no brow. Bronzer is MAC Just Cheeky. I love it, and I used it with a dual fiber brush because you get a totally different, like a lighter effect with that, and I really like that. Pom Pom, you see the kitty cat? Oh, you're kissing Bella. Look at Kitty. Look at the kitty. Yeah, that's right. I'm crazy. I figured we have dogs. We needed a cat and a bird because dogs eat cats and cats eat birds. But, so this is a half Persian, half coon. He is 8 weeks. And we got him last night. Yes, I'm trying to cut his nails because they're really sharp. Yeah, oh, I love little kitties' tummies. No bite. We're not gonna bite. His name is Gucci. Gucci. Oh, you don't like it when I'm talking to the kitty? Where's the kitty, Pom Pom? Where's the kitty cat? No, that's Bella. Oh, Bella, you've got something in your mouth. Pom Pom, look at the kitty. They love each other already. So what do you dogs think? We got a cat. It's Pom Pom's kitten. Pom Pom is Bella's dog, and the kitty is Pom Pom's. Hey, got you kitty cat. This is gonna be my trashed sofa in my room because we're gonna have the cat that's lying there and the dog and the dog. Hi, Belle. Loves to look out the window. Don't fall out. Is everyone lying on the bed just chilling? Chillaxing? Chillaxing, Burke? Don't touch your eye. Oh, oh, I have something in my eye. Come on, everybody. Someone wants to play. Let me go after my bad foot. Mama, go get that kitty. Go get it. Yeah. It's one thing I love about kittens and cats in general. They love to play. Pom Pom's a player, but Bella isn't. Does he want my foot? Someone's gonna step on it, I know. It's really swollen today. And see my big toe? It's just not normal to be flipped up like that. I'll have to talk to my doctor about it. Bella and Pom Pom have built-in toys. It's called the tail. It's called the tail. Look at it. So cute. Gucci. Gucci Rama. That's what I call him. Gucci Rama. Oh my goodness. Now can you sit? Can you sit? Bella, you are very needy. You're needy. You like that kitty? You can play with it, you know. Can play with it. You better be nice because you were new once too. Can you sit? Sit. Now smile. Smile. Sit. Pom Pom, sit. Smile. Your leg. Bella's so good natured. No, now you're going after my feet. No, 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 no. Ah. Bella's so good-natured. She'll let the kitten do everything. No, no. You having fun this morning? Oh my goodness, you almost fell off. Ah!